something on this product. Enlighten with us.
Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, it's absolutely fantastic to see such a big gathering of KTM owners, and I really hope that the day has been worth it for you. This product, this bike that you see right in front of you, this is a motocross bike, and the way you identify it as a motocross bike is, as you can see, there aren't any headlamps because it's not supposed to be ridden on the streets anyway. There aren't any lights on the bike. This is a pure off-road motocross bike, and motocross, for those of you who may not be fully aware, is essentially, I'm sure all of you have seen freestyle motocross events on television where you have the dunes and the riders come and jump off the ramps and they go, take some turns in the air and then they land. Okay, so that's motocross. I mean, it's one of the forms of motocross which is called the freestyle motocross. So this bike, even before this bike, as most of you would be aware of, particularly those of you who own a KTM, KTM is renowned across the world for its off-road credentials. Practically it is the racing champion in every single motocross championship that is there in the world. MX1, MX2, and a host of other off-road races. This bike in front of you, it is the 350 SXF. So 350 stands for 350cc. SX is the code name that is used for all motocross bikes, and F stands for 4-stroke. So this is the 4-stroke 350cc motocross bike, and it's going to be available for display to start with in at least around 25 of the KTM showrooms that are available, that are already operational across the country. Out of the total 70, while there are 70 dealerships operational, this will be available for display only as of now. It's not for sale in about 25 of these showrooms. And as you may have also read in the newspapers recently, apart from this bike, there is going to be also the RC8. The RC8 is the full-fed super sports motorcycle from KTM. That's also going to be available for display in these 25 showrooms. And a little bit going forward on what you can expect from KTM in the months to come. Yes, the 390 is not... yes, I mean, how many of you are waiting for the 390 over here? Wow. So, it's a good time to introduce you also, maybe a little later, to two of the biggest KTM dealers in Bombay. So, so I'm sure they've been counting all the hands. They're only ready to supply those bikes to you. So the 390 is not more than 3 to 4 months away. So that's the first bike. And I heard some comments about 125. Let me announce that there is going to be no 125cc in India. Okay. So 125cc is not for people like you. That's for kids. You guys are not kids. Okay. So after the 390, the product that comes after this is early in 2014. So that is going to be the offshoot of the RC8. It is a miniature form of the RC8. It is also modeled along the lines of the Moto 3 bike, which KTM is winning, incidentally. Moto 3, as most of you would be aware, is the smaller version of MotoGP. MotoGP is for 800cc bikes and Moto 3 is for now 250cc bikes, and KTM is a champion there. So that bike in a production form is going to be available in India in early 2014. So that